Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Which type of pot, tall and narrow, or short and wide, will have a specific volume of water reach a higher boiling temperature? Explain why. Summary: tall and narrow pot, because higher pressure will have higher saturation pressure. So let's go in depth. A given volume of water will boil at a higher temperature in a tall and narrow pot, since the pressure at the bottom and thus the corresponding saturating pressure will be higher in that case. Now before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, open Snipping Tool, then click on Video option, then click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.